There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. I say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day passed my way. And while he spoke of many things, folks and kings, this he said to me: this greatest thing you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you ever learn is just to love, and he loved in return.